A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for frog. G for glass. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for jug. K for kite. L for lemon. M for mango. N for nose. O for orange. P for peacock. Q for queen. R for rose. S for snake. T for tree. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watermelon. X for Xmas tree. Y for yellow. Z for zebra.
Thank you so much, friends, for watching our video. We will keep on getting more informative educational videos for you like this. We cherish your journey with us. If you like this video, please do not forget to click on the like icon and subscribe our channel. Your support is very important for us.